There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Y'all, we have to give a warm welcome back to Unice hair. I know everyone knows Unice hair, but have you tried wigs from them? Because they have beautiful wigs. If you've been thinking about trying a wig from them, this is your sign to do so. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 613 full lace HD. Part it anywhere on the wig, so you can just see that all throughout the wig you can part it, and it has knots all individually placed. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place, and without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. I like to remove the lace as much as I can, so I'm just gonna go in and remove as much of that lace as I can beforehand. 'Cause that is what my heart. I'm actually so happy with how this color turned out, you guys. It looks really pretty. I don't know exactly what I'm going to be doing for the style. I think we're just going to have to wing it, but it looks good. I'm going to be using my sticky little secret glue, because I've learned the hard way that when I don't do that, I'm not going to let the glue dry. I know it's controversial, but I'm just going to put her on. So while that portion is drying, I'm just gonna melt her down with the glue. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. So I'm just going in, I'm going in with like a melting spray. You can use whatever one you want, but I didn't actually apply any foundation to the hairline. This is how she's looking right now. This part's just pretty obvious. My blow dryer is dying, it's making a weird sound, so I'm gonna try my best not to use it. I'm just applying more spritz to the lace anywhere that looks really light. I'm gonna get my little claw clip. I belong to you. what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be in.
Part it anywhere on the wig. All throughout the wig you can part it, and it has knots all individually placed. Now there is like a center line that goes down the center. This is a wig that you can actually make box braids on. You can do many different things with this type of wig because it is a full lace. You can put it in a ponytail, you can put it in a bun. It is super versatile. You definitely want to have one in your collection. Spin around so you guys can kind of see what I mean when I say you can part it anywhere. You can part it anywhere. Can you see? Don't judge me on the back, y'all. The back, no one's gonna say the back. I first toned this wig with purple shampoo and it was looking a bit streaky. Then I went in with some Wella T18 to give this perfect ashy blonde, and it is white as snow. It is so pretty. This is the true 613 for dark skin tones. It looks so flattering. I personally prefer it more toned like ashy or white. It's been so long since I've reviewed a straight 613 wig, so I knew that I kind of just wanted to wear it like this. There's a million different updos that you can do. I showed you guys a few of them today, but I swear to goodness, it just looks so good in this middle part. So if you're considering getting this wig, definitely try it in the middle part bust down, or try some of the looks that you've seen today in today's review and install. Anyways guys, I gotta run. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.